will fit here.
Look at this.
This is insanity.
This is crazy.
We better get out of here quick, because if we encounter another vehicle here, and help me, because my judgment sometimes, my eyes, I cannot see, you know.
We should capture this, George.
This is only one lane.
Yeah, this way. Not this way. So you see it's only one
vehicle.
Yeah, one vehicle.
You have to pull over there if you see someone.
I got an email from somebody, like a route like this, but
Send that to me. Oh my god.
like in South America somewhere.
It's like Death Road in Bolivia, I think.
Yes, yeah.
Pupu Nene.
Narrow road.
No,
Yeah.
narrow road.
Now you're telling us.
Now he tells me. I forgot to tell you.
I forgot.
Sopo Rodriguez. He back with guns.
Man, it takes some grapefruit to drive here. Balls. I don't want to take this on the way back, I think, because we're just gonna go back to Pupu Nene, you know, Route 30. But at least we experienced this, you know.
Oh my god.
So we took a different route.
Yeah, we took the route that is really scenic. However, I know it's like a one narrow lane. Popsicle, shave ice cream, smoothies.
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 Dito parang may Hawaii is big one of shave ice.
Sheba. Ice.
Look at Protestant church, right? For the Bible.
The Bible.
This is like in southern state. There are
Dito
Baptist.
sa Hawaii, ang daming religion dito. Mga tao dito, very religious. Ang daming simbahan.
Well, they were assimilated by different.
Yeah.
Can't take it. I like Baptist church and Catholic church. I'm psyched about.
You don't go to church.
Even though I don't, like, you know, I just want to see the history of it.
Oh, look at this.
What are the religions?
Maraming missionary nagpunta dito. I don't know if it's Maui, but I know sa Hawaii, maraming simbahan.
Oh, look at that cute little house. Look at that house, Brandy.
Oh my gosh.
Pink.
Banana split pa nakalagay.
That's like Freddy the Flintstone's house. Yabba dabba doo.